what I'm sharing with you guys is a situation that I have faced a few months back where customer had few machines on premises that we need to move to the Azure with the help of a third-party tool where licensing is involved. It was something $200 for a single VM, and we moved. Let's suppose the four machines. I forgot the count. Four machines to the Azure. So we needed four licenses to move these machines to the Azure. Now he realized he also wanted the dev subscription and QA subscription and wants to move the exact replica of these four machines into these two subscriptions as well. When he was sharing this his plan to us, he was little worried because he thought he needs to pay another $200 per VM to move to different subscriptions as well. But during the meeting, we did inform we have another way to do that. One of them was ASR. We all know this is the best way to do it. Now, this is the another way that I'm doing it because the count is very less and he wants the exact replica. You can also do with the help of creating an image and spin the VM with the help of that image, two VMs out of that image. Or the way I'm going to do it right now is with the help of snapshot and the move function. You need not to do anything else. Okay, so let's suppose this is the VM in West US and you need to move this to the another subscription or another resource group inside that subscription. So what you need to do first, you need to go to the disk, get the disk, take a snapshot, give it a name, okay, let's make it HDD and create it. Now once this snapshot is created, you can easily move this with the help of move function in the Azure portal to a different subscription or to a different resource group inside the same subscription. So you can utilize this feature as well to accomplish the task. I'll show you. Just let it deploy first. Now, I have moved the disk snapshot. You just need to create the disk out of the snapshot, and it is very easy to create a VM out of the disk. You will find a button says create VM on the disk. I'll show you. Now this is the snapshot which is done, right? We have created. Now if I go back to the resource group, okay, if I go back to the resource group, go to the snapshot, what was the name? Snapshot. It's a different snapshot, not that one, I think, but doesn't matter. We have the snapshot here, right? And what you can do in the resource group, we have this option move. You click here and we can move this to another subscription. It's very easy. It doesn't take much long, 15 to 20 minutes, and you can move your snapshot to a different subscription. Okay, the catch is it should be the same region, and of course my customer wanted the dev and QA in the same region, so it wasn't the challenge for us. Now once it is moved, you would have the snapshot just like this in your hand in different subscription or in the same region, unattached. So what you need to do, you need to just go to disk, okay, and click on add disk. just like that. Select the resource group, disk name, anything, and in the source type, you gotta select the snapshot. And you select the same snapshot that you have created. Oh, it is right here, the one that we have created in West US. And select the size as per this your source machine size, and you can create it. And once the disk is created, I'm showing you, let me create it, no worries. Let's create it. Disk move. Okay, let me give it a smaller size. Let's suppose this one. Okay, oh yes, it is a OS disk which was 127. So review and create. Now let's suppose this disk we are creating inside a different subscription with the snapshot that we have moved. Now once the disk is created, it would be absolutely simple to create a VM out of it. Okay, so that's how you can also accomplish the task. ASR is another option. So let's wait, I'll show you once this is done. What there is one more option I told you was the creation of the image. So it's totally up to you guys, like what you wanna opt for, but all the three options are great. Okay, there could be some, we have also done that video in the I guess that was in the previous video where I showed like you can even retain the same IP addresses during ASR between if you're doing Azure to Azure migration, right? The only catch was the if you have a static IP address, it would not migrate until that IP is free on the destination side. If it is free, then it is fine. If it is not, it won't migrate. So you need to either make all the IPs dynamic, or you can make that IP available for your machine to choose that one. All right, so it is underway. Let's wait. All right, so it is completed. Go to the resource. Now, this is the disk that we have created out of the snapshot. From here, create VM. Just click on it and you can create your VM in a different subscription, in a different availability, or you can give it a different name, resource group, anything that you want to do. Okay, you got the base image with you. So that's how you can perform this migration. Well, thank you for watching and you have a good day. Bye-bye.